Hello and welcome to lesson 2 of biology for grade 7s. በዚህ ቪዲዮ ላይ cover የምናደርገው relevance of biology to society ነው. Before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. We know that biology contributes to society in many different ways. So እነሱን አሁን በዚህ ቪዲዮ ላይ የምንጠቅሰው ማለት ነው. The first one is in health ማለት ነው. So the study of biology is necessary to understand the normal body processing, cause of disease, methods of prevention, and develop drugs. ይሄን በደንብ አድርገን ባለፈው ቪዲዮ ላይ ስላየን last time ቪዲዮውን ቼክ አድርጉት. So biology is relevant to describe the health status of an individual. So what we mean by this is that አንድ ሰው healthy ነው unhealthy ነው የሚለው የምናየው like biology is relevant ይሄን determine ለማድረግ ማለት ነው. So healthy people የምንላቸው are those with good mental status እና ደግሞ they interact with people's property. Bodyያቸው it functions properly. Unhealthy ደግሞ the opposite of healthy ማለት ነው. Antiseptics and disinfectants. So ሁለቱም they're antimicrobial chemical substances that reduce potential germs. Germsን የሚገድሉ ናቸው. The difference between antiseptics and disinfectants is that antiseptics they're applied on living tissue ማለት ነው. ለምሳሌ on our skin. Disinfectants ደግሞ they're applied in non-living things. So another relevance of biology to society is in nutrition. So nutrition is a branch of biology that studies the different aspects of food we eat. Our body requires food to grow, reproduce, and maintain good health. Eating the right food can help us avoid certain diseases and recover faster when we're ill. ምግብ መብላት ያስፈልገናል. Our body requires it because energy ከfood ነው የሚመጣልን. In order to do things, activities, our body needs food. And so the food we eat, we should be careful. ማለት ለሰውነታችን ጤነኛ የሆነ good health status እንዲኖረን አድርገን መብላት አለብን. So nutrients are classified as carbohydrates, proteins, fats and oils, አንድ ላይ ደግሞ ሊፒድ ተብለው ይጠራሉ, vitamins, mineral and water. So carbohydrates, they're source of energy. ለምሳሌ እንደ ዳቦ, potato, cereals example ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ. Proteins ምንላቸው they're used to repair the body parts. እነዚህ ስጋና እንቁላል መጥቀስ እንችላለን. Fats and oils ምንላቸው they're source of energy just like carbohydrates and they also store energy in the butter and oil. Vitamins they're needed for growth and repair body tissues. Minerals ደግሞ they help for the formation of different cell parts. Based on their function, biologists classify food into 5 groups. So these are the 5 groups, and the fats and the sweets and the we have to consume them in a very a lower rate than the others ማለት ነው. We come to another topic, which is environment. Environment is the surrounding or condition in which organisms live and operate. The surrounding of an organism is an environment. Within this environment there are resources. So resource ምንላቸው any natural or artificial substance which is used by human being for living. So resource አለ in our environment. ግን ይህን resource በስርዓት ላንጠቀመው እንችላለን because population, there's a growing population, rapid industrialization አለ and urbanization, and because of this the use of resource is rising. እና ይሄ ደግሞ resource ስንጠቀም በስርዓት ላንጠቀመው እንችላለን. ይሄ ደግሞ የተለያዩ serious problems ሊያመጣ ይችላል. in the pollution ሊያመጣ ይችላል, loss of species ሊያመጣ ይችላል ማለት ነው. And what should we do to do this? We should learn conservation የሚለውን idea መረዳት አለብን ማለት ነው. So conservation ምንለው is the proper management of a natural resource to prevent its destruction or degradation. Natural resourceን properly manage አድርገን መጠቀም conservation ነው ማለት ነው. So this is important to increase agricultural productivity. Agricultural productivity increase ለማድረግ ይጠቅማል. And the main activities in farming include cultivation of soil, growing plants, and animal husbandry practices. So in the farming activities, they can be good or bad to environment. So እዚህ ጋር ያመጣሁት reason ምንድን ነው? Some farming practices they're bad ማለት ነው. ለዛ ለconservation ላይ they might harm it ማለት ነው. So bad farming practice የምንላቸውን እንይ. So So bad farming practices consists of cutting trees, deforestation, plowing horizontally steep lands. ይሄ ምንድነው? ዳገታማ መሬትን ቁልቁል ማረስ ማለት ነው። ይሄ ምንድነው ችግሩ? ከላይ ጉድ ሶይል የነበሩትን ዋሽ ዳውን ይደረጋል down the slope ማለት ነው። ሶ ጥሩ አፈሩ ወደ ታች ይወርዳል ማለት ነው። በዚህ ልታ ጊዜ the land gets poorer ማለት ነው። the soil will not be fertile. monoculture ምንለው አለ። ይሄንም ባለፈው ቪዲዮ ላይ አይተነዋል። so go watch that video. burning vegetation cover, allowing overgrazing, deforestation. ይሄኛን ተናግረናል። so let's continue to the next topic, which is pollution ማለት ነው። so እዚህ ጋር ብለን ነበረ እነዚህ resources በስርዓት ስለማንጠቀም we face serious problems, and one of those is pollution. So pollution ምንድነው? is the contamination of the environment with materials that harm health, quality of life, or the natural functioning of living organisms in their surrounding. So the kinds of pollution include air, water, and land pollution ማለት ነው። pollution, the solution ለዚህ ማለት ለpollution towards reducing the effect of and the practice solve ለማድረግ the pollution, we need to have an understanding of biological concepts ማለት ነው. That's why it's important here. Actually, let's talk about population ማለት ነው. So a population refers to the total number of an individual of the same kind that are living in a specified space. So population growth, it may be beneficial ለምሳሌ as labor force increase ያደርግልናል. So የሀገር እድገት እንዲረዳ ይችላል። But at the same time, number of population exceed ካረገ natural resource የምንጠቀምበት way conserve ላናደርግ እንችላለን. We might not use it properly. ይሄ ደግሞ environment ላይ damage ያደርጋል ማለት ነው. So knowledge of biology is relevant in designing the activities that are used to control the number of population ማለት ነው. Another relevance of biology to society is immunization ማለት ነው. So immunization is one of the most effective weapons available to combat the spread of infectious diseases. Infectious diseases ለምሳሌ tetanus, meningitis, smallpox እነዚህ ናቸው እና some can be passed from person to person ማለት ነው. A vaccine is a chemical substance that stimulates the body to create antibodies to fight a specific disease-causing organism. So ይሄኛው በimmunization the process, it's weakened virus or ደግሞ bacteria ተጠቅመው ነው ኢንፌክሽኑን prevent የሚያደርገው ማለት ነው. So you get vaccine, እሱን ነው vaccinate የምትደረጊው, the weakened virus, and that prevents infection ማለት ነው. immunity system. So questions አሉ, you can do them, pause አድርጋችሁት. Let's continue. Biology is relevant to society to ensure A, overpopulation, C, population, B, health, D, deforestation. So the answer to this is B, health. Because እነዚህ እንዳለ they're bad things. Biology ይሄን ensure ለማድረግ አይደለም የሚሰራው. Which of the following agricultural practices is harmful? A, overgrazing. So we already have the answer here, it's A. Which of the following cannot be the effect of overpopulation? Increasing famine, yes. Increasing poverty, increasing stress, no. Increasing the quality of life cannot be an answer. No. Is she? The next topic is biology and technological innovations. So some of the discoveries made in the past were copied from understanding of biological principles. So ለምሳሌ the invention of camera, airplanes, and submarines. And now so the human eye and the camera. So እነዚህ ሁለቱም they share a number of features. በስዕሉ ብናየው more sense ይሰጣል። እንደምታዩት light enter የሚያደርገው through the pupil or ደግሞ through what we call በካሜራ ደግሞ በአፐርቸር ነው ማለት ነው። በዚህ ነው light enter የሚያደርገው ማለት ነው። በዚህ light enter አድርጎ the amount of light control የሚያደርገው ደግሞ the iris or ደግሞ the diaphragm የምንለው ነው። iris ምኑ ላይ ነው ያለው? the አይናችን ላይ፣ diaphragm ደግሞ on the camera ያለው ማለት ነው። so ያየነውን ደግሞ ኢሜጅ የገባውን ኢሜጅ ደግሞ ኢንተርፕሬት የሚያደርገው እዚህ ጋር the film ነው። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ the retina ነው ማለት ነው። ላይቱ ደግሞ እንዴት ነው ፎከስ የሚያደርግልን ደግሞ the lens ናቸው። ሁለቱም lens ማለት ነው። እሺ the other one is birds versus airplane. and a number of anatomical, physiological, and behavioral adaptation enabled birds to meet the requirement of flight. So these are the adaptations. And they have hollow bones that reduce weight. They have efficient 4-chambered heart. They have strong keel-shaped breast bones to which the flight muscle is attached to, and they have feathers which are light ማለት ነው. Birds, they flap their wings አይደለ እና በዚህ ለታ ጊዜ upward ነው. The movement, flight involves moving upward and against gravity, and their muscles are 10 times bigger than the muscles that pull the wings back ማለት ነው. ሳይዛቸውና ሼፑ of the wings affect the እንዴት birds fly እንደሚያደርጉ. The next one is fish versus submarine. The first successful pilot flight with self-powered aircraft was done by these two brothers. The Wright brothers የምንላቸው ነበር. The first successful flight. Fish versus submarine. Fishes are animals that have a special breathing organ called gill, which makes them capable of breathing and living underwater. እና ከዚህ ተወስዶ ነው ደግሞ submarine የተሰራው ማለት ነው. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. And this is the end of our lesson.